CASCADE is a program implemented by Cooperative Assistance for Relief Everywhere Care and Global Alliance for Improved Nutrition with funding from the Netherlands Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The program aims to strengthen nutrition systems that will contribute to ending malnutrition for 1.1 million women of reproductive age and children under 5 years. CARE's core areas are on food and nutrition, security, livelihood, sexual and reproductive health, women economic empowerment, and gender-based violence. Participants at the 4-day training drawn from women in agriculture and extension workers from 4 states are being introduced to the Farmer Field Business School approach, which will help small-scale farmers and producers build their skills, increase production, improve resilience, and adapt to climate change, diversity diets, and boost nutrition. Senior Technical Advisor, CARE USA, France Siet, said the objective is to familiarize participants with the Farmer Field Business School approach toolkit and support them to develop a process using the cropping cycle to implement the approach with savings and producer group, livestock, and other types of value chain groups.
It's really to introduce our project partners and colleagues to an updated version of the Farmer Field School, which was mostly focused on extension worker. Now it's more, I would say, human-centered in terms of the component that were added to it. We have gender, we have nutrition, which is one of the focus of CASCADE. We have monitoring and evaluation, and also we have what we call facilitation techniques to make sure that when we are passing on those knowledge and techniques, we take care of ensuring that communities are building capacities.
Policy Advocacy and Governance Specialist, CASCADE Netherlands, Joshua Chibuyi, said the program, which is community-driven, works with government for the adoption of the concept.
So we work with the government from the top to the bottom. So what we are trying to see is to adapt on how we can leverage this project from the state, that is the federal government, to the local governments. Because we are community-driven, we really focus on empowering the communities and ensuring that their needs are addressed. And then from there we can scale. This program is implemented across 6 countries, and each country has different governance layers.
State Project Manager, CARE, Isaac Ishaya Audu, said the program seeks to address the issue of acute malnutrition, which is a major contributory factor that is associated to poor food consumption patterns. Its outcomes, therefore, is to increase access and consumption of healthy diets, especially among women of reproductive age and children under 5 years of age, increase resilience to households' economic stocks, and to climate change. CARE implements its programs in 4 local government areas of Vas, Ningi, Jama'are, and Turu.
We are looking at engaging 1.1 million women of reproductive age through strengthening production system and also mitigating the farmer extension ratio gap, which has been a continuous challenge in country. So the CASCADE design is actually aimed at adopting market-based solution, specifically through private sector linkages, in ensuring we complement the farmer extension ratio gap by actually providing community-level structures through lead farmers that could be supported with adequate skills and capacities to be able to provide extension services.
President, Association of Deans of Agriculture in Nigerian Universities, Professor James Jawoba, said the academia is at the training to understudy the new concept so as to step it down to undergraduate curriculum.
We are excited about this development because Farmers Field School, Farmer Field and Business School is a good concept that will develop farmers and make agriculture an enterprise, business-oriented, while the farmers are learning on the job. This also is in line with the new direction of Adam to make our undergraduate project interactive and practical-oriented, and to be able to catch our students young where they are in school, where they have understanding of the food, water, and nutrition interaction.
There were presentations on CARE right to food, water, and nutrition strategy, and the contribution of Farmer Field Business School approach to food security, livelihood, gender, and nutrition outcomes. Elizabeth Ka, BATV News.